What's going on YouTube? Q back here again with another video for you. Today's video, I'm at the track. So we're out here at Gingerman on the west side of the state in Michigan. So I'm out here with a few friends and we're about to take the M2 competition for a ride on the track. So let's see how we do. So the previous track video, I was here in the ZL1. I'm going to see how the M2 competition performs. And then we got some professionals out here with the camera crew, so that's a little bit intimidating, but I'll just point for them to pass me because I don't want to be the guy to be in the way and get all nervous. I'm out here going to get the feel of the track again because it's been quite some time. It was like November the last time I was out here, but this is a pretty good track. I like this track a lot, so I'm going to suit up, see if I can get that GoPro onto my helmet somehow, and then record me going around this track. So hopefully we can do some more cars. That will be a separate video, but right now it's the M2. And we got an M4 CSL out here amongst a few other things. Got a Civic Type R, got a BMW Z4M, got a Viper out here, dream car. So let's take a look at those and then we'll get on the track. All right, let's get ready to rock and roll.
Have a clear coat over top of your wrap?
Nope.
Oh, man.
I got a clear bra underneath it though. It's backwards.
Right.
Because the previous owner had it. You can kind of see the lines, especially on the back hips back there.
Yeah, that's awesome.
Yeah.
What suspension's on it?
It's the stock suspension. Yep, I haven't done it.
You need to talk to me about that.
Oh yeah, I see you're the M guy. we'll have some good conversation. Thank you. Will do. Uh-oh, the Viper's coming up behind me. We got the S2000 doing the photo shoot right now with Haggerty. So I'm about to get ready to enter the track. I got steering set to Sport Plus and my engine set to Sport Plus. So I don't think there's anybody out here but me, so no pressure. About to do a good job, get to know the car some more. It's gonna be our goal. How you doing today?
Yes.
The loudest car out here.
No, I was just, from a distance it's purple and green, but there's a lot more to it.
Oh yeah, it's pretty deep how
Yeah.
the detail.
It's then, right?
Right?
Wow, that's cool.
Yeah.
So you got a wristband?
I do.
Okay. Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right. On your marks. Get set. Go.
Shifter. Past by these damn Miatas. straightaway. First trial done, did okay. I expect better from myself. I forgot the line, so that's the thing you need to know on the track. The apexes, those orange cones that you all probably didn't see, you can see it from the next angle that I do. They help guide you where your turn in is and when you're powering out the turn. So it's kind of like a cheat code to help you navigate the track better. But from right now, the car did quite well. Traction control kept blinking at me, and I smelled the brakes right now. But good thing I got these hefty rotors on here, so I'm gonna let the car cool off for a moment, and then we'll get right back out there. But I just want to take a break. More people were getting out there, but after the Miata passed me, I passed the Miata, and I didn't see anybody else, so I call that good. So let's let the car cool off for a minute, take a break, hydrate, and get back out. Second attempt out here on the track. I'm going to turn traction control off with MDM on, just because I want to get that little added sense of danger, and I need to get my skill up, so I'm going to do that if it's not too scary. Hello again.
Have fun, man.
All right, thank you. I'm going to turn traction control back on. Can't be stabbing out of corners. Still need practice. Maybe later. Actually, let me try that again. I got to be gentle with the throttle. Kind of hurt my wrist. second set of laps. So did that with traction control off, MDM on. Not going to turn it completely off because I don't have that kind of skill to handle this machine like that. Because you can see in the first turn, kind of lost control because I have been driving like a novice the whole time I own this car. So you can't just stab on the accelerator at all times. That's what traction control does for you. Keeps the car, keeps you from like getting out of line, literally, because my car started to go sideways and it kind of hurt my wrist to get back in line. But no, it kind of caught me by surprise. I'm like, you remember in the video I was doing donuts, I'm like, this car can get sideways with MDM on. Like, when will it kick in? And obviously when I needed it to kick in, it did not kick in. So now I have to up my skill level and not just stab on the accelerator like that. I'm going to drive as if I have no safety nannies on. So safer practices for me, because I'm just going to start driving around with traction control off so I can get used to the car's characteristics and behavior when I start to drive aggressively and spiritedly. But that could have been bad had I had everything off. With a fishtail, I did counter steer, somewhat saved myself, but yeah, that could have been nasty. No strippers, but we got a pole star. Hey yo, and the OG Integra right there. I want to know what that's like, but I don't know him, so I can't do that. But he's out there on the track hustling. Cayman, HESV, Focus ST, S2000, all types of cars out here. So I highly recommend, if you haven't been to a road course track, that you do it, because it's a whole different ball game. So also shout out to the men, the culture. Got Blueprint 1LE, the Track Rat, Race Car Friends, 100 Gang Nate. I want to see these guys on the track one day. I'm about to begin car hopping, so had a little bit of fun. I'm going to drive my car for a few more laps because I'm about to run out of gas and I'm like 5 miles from a gas station. I'm going to hop in some of these other cars, the Civic Type R. I'm going to ride shotgun in that car to see what it's like on the track. So I want to make my car rotate. I want to see if this thing rotate or how it rotates on the track. So highly interested in that. Talked about modding my Integra, so got to be out here for that. I wonder what that Integra can do as really intrigued on that. I'm going to shut down the videos on the M2. Thank you all for watching. Going to get out there one more time, couple more times till my gas light comes on, and then head up out of here on this Memorial Day. So thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel, and I'll catch you all in the next video. Peace out.